So to get my answer, first they want 315 seconds into minutes. First, we all wrote the column of the 6 times tables, or 60, and add the zeros to the side. And 315 is the closest to it is 300. And 300 is equal to 5 minutes, or if it's in 60, it's 5 hours. And now we're using minutes, so it's 300 is 5 minutes. So now I know that 300 is already 5 minutes, so I'll put that down. And there's an extra 15. And the 15, we also wrote this down, 15 is equal to 25. And it's 15 over 60. So first, now you do this. Or you could do 15 over 60.
Okay, so your final answer would be?
5.25.
Yeah, because the actual question up the top says?
315 seconds in 2 minutes. So the minutes, it would be 5 minutes and 25 seconds.
So there's another question, actually, the real question right above it. What does that say?
Express 315 seconds in minutes as a decimal.
Yeah, so that means express means to show. Well done, Ilyes.
Yeah.
No, that's fine. All right, can you just put that answer in green? Did that actually work?
I hope
Was that the correct answer? Let me just take it a freeze. Yep, and just put another one up.
Should I answer the second one?
All right, does anyone want to take a risk and have a go at doing this one and explain? All right, we'll go, come on up. Yeah, Mazoon, come on up. Come on up, and you have a go. And just using those same steps, see how you go with that. And can you talk us through it? Use a marker or pen. Oh, you got one? Okay, no. What are you going to do? So it says calculate the number of minutes in 2.25 hours. So it's almost like the reverse or the opposite. You think you might give it a try? What are you thinking there? And if you want the board behind you to help you. Do you think you might know how to do that one, Ring, or not sure?
I could help her.
Yeah, if you need a bit of help, you can ask. 4.25 minutes? It's not that. I think. Ilyes, have a look and just see, because it's a good try though. I like the way you had to go there.
She was so close.
Yeah, stay here, Dale. Stay here, because you can maybe work together.
So first, already it's 2.25, so it's 2 hours and 25 minutes.
So first thing is, what?
I checked the 2, so 2 stands for 2 hours.
Okay, and Mazoon, how many minutes are in 2 hours? 120. 120?
120 and then there's 25.
So
minutes.
yeah, so 0.25. What would you say? How many minutes is 0.25 of an hour? How many? 15. So what do you think you might now do with the 120 and the 15? Do you want to come back and have another go? Because I think Ilyes has got onto it there. Do you know?
Look at this one. Now, always put, instead of putting the number that's higher than it, put the number that's lower than it. So 180, because it's smaller than 2 hours. No, wait. Sorry. Wait.
Yeah, go. I like the way you rethought that, because that's.
Yeah, it says 2 hours. It can't be 180. I think it is. It's 25. So yeah, it's 2. It's 120.
Good. That's it. Yeah.
So 120. Is it 120? 2 hours. Is it 2 hours? Oh, you do it in minutes.
So you've got the 2 hours converted into minutes, which is 120. Excellent. Now think of the 0.25. How many minutes is 0.25? Ah, well done. So you think it's 145 Are you sure you're sure? So just double check. So you did 120. Can you just do 120 plus? What did you add to that? So not 25. Because you're thinking of 25 out of 100. You're thinking of a quarter of 100. Think of how many minutes are in 1 hour. Okay, so what would be a quarter of 60?
A quarter, it's 15.
Okay, so a quarter of 60 would be 15. So now if you add that, what would your new answer be, Mazoon? 135. Do you think she's right there? Do you want to double check? She's right. You like that one? Show me that again. Okay. All right. Yeah, and you are correct. Good work. Thank you, Mazoon. Thank you, Ilyes. Thank you, Yara.
Can I